If you want to connect your Garmin device to your iPhone in 2026 and make sure everything works perfectly, this is exactly what you need. Because a lot of people try to pair their device and run into issues like not syncing, not connecting, or missing data. So in this full guide, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to connect your Garmin to your iPhone the right way. First, make sure your Garmin device is charged and turned on. Now take your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for Garmin Connect and install it. This is the official app you need to sync your device. Once installed, open the app. Now sign in or create a Garmin account. This step is required because your data will be stored and synced through your account. Once you're inside the app, look for the option that says Add Device. Tap on it. Now your iPhone will start searching for nearby Garmin devices. At the same time, go to your Garmin device, open its settings, and look for Bluetooth or phone connection. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now your Garmin should appear on your iPhone screen. Tap on it to start pairing. You'll see a code on both your iPhone and your Garmin device. Make sure the codes match, then confirm. This is important to ensure a secure connection. Once confirmed, the pairing process will begin. Wait a few seconds. Now your Garmin is connected to your iPhone. At this point, the app may ask for permissions, allow access to things like Bluetooth, notifications, and location. These permissions help your device sync properly. Now your Garmin will start syncing data automatically. This includes steps, workouts, heart rate, and more. Now let's talk about syncing. To sync manually, open the Garmin Connect app and pull down on the screen. This refreshes your data. Most of the time, syncing happens automatically in the background. Now let's talk about common issues and fixes if your Garmin is not connecting. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your iPhone settings. Second, restart both your iPhone and your Garmin device. Third, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If it still doesn't connect, go to your iPhone Bluetooth settings, find your Garmin device, and forget it. Then repeat the pairing process from the beginning. If your data is not syncing, open the Garmin Connect app and force a manual sync. Also make sure the app is running in the background. Now here are some important tips. Keep your Garmin device close to your iPhone when syncing. Avoid connecting your Garmin to multiple phones at the same time, and always keep both the app and your device updated. To summarize, download Garmin Connect. Log in or create an account. Tap Add Device, enable Bluetooth. Select your Garmin device. Confirm the pairing code. Allow permissions. Sync your data, and that's it. Your Garmin is now fully connected to your iPhone and ready to use.
Welcome to the Connect IQ store. It's a world of customization for your Garmin.